Well, there's been some better news in today's unemployment data. Let's bring in our Sky News Political Editor Andrew Clennell. Andrew, what are the figures? Take us through them.
Well, let's have a look state by state, shall we, Ashley? It's 6.6% nationally, down from 6.8%. Treasury had forecast it would peak at 8%. Doesn't look like it's now happening. Of course, this is from labour force data. That's different to the number of people on JobSeeker, but there are also more people on JobSeeker because they changed the number of hours that you were able to work and still receive that particular benefit. But if we break it down the states, you'll see that Queensland 7.5%. They've got the worst unemployment, but they had that sort of level of unemployment when Anastasia Palaszczuk was re-elected, showing that Queensland is really bigger on the health concern side of things than employment at the moment. WA 6.2. Well, we know that state government actually ran a surplus, which was derided around the place when these other state governments, to keep their economies going, have been racking up huge debt. The states have spent half as much as the Commonwealth, though, who've put about $200 billion forward. We've all got to pay that back. And the suggestion was from Josh Frydenberg last year that once unemployment got comfortably below 6%, I'm told around 5.5%, that's when they'd start to address debt being paid back. Who can believe we're having this conversation so soon after a recession was declared and lockdowns occurred? Of course, we're getting the odd lockdown from time to time from state premiers, as we know, so it'll still be a very bumpy ride and a recovery in terms of the economy this year. I'm not getting ahead of myself here. And also, no doubt, JobKeeper has helped inflate those numbers. When it fully comes off, you may see unemployment come up a bit, but we're not going to see the well in excess of 10% that was spoken about, Ash. Indeed, Treasury had forecast had JobKeeper not occurred, unemployment would have gone to 15%, dwarfing the high of the last recession of 11%. Overall, pretty good news, these figures. Scott Morrison, he's showing what he's going to be about in terms of his rhetoric, at least from now on in this visit to central Queensland, just pointing out there Queensland has a 7.5% unemployment rate, the highest in the country. Yesterday and today used the same language in central Queensland, jobs, jobs, jobs.
Jobs, jobs and jobs. That's what we're about. That's why we're standing here. That's why we've done this arrangement on gas. That's why we've supported the recovery in northern Queensland after the floods. That's why we've stood by farmers through the drought.